Hello everybody, this is Count Baton again. We are here on Build a Boat again, and this time we are going to be doing a build battle. I will be on blue. I am being joined by here Dorito. He is on green team. Okay. We're gonna see if Dorito knows what he's doing. You have. Okay, so if you don't know what build battle is, it's basically you get a certain amount of time and then you have to build something. So today we're going to be building what best describes Count Baton. So, there's this, yeah. We're going to get a timer up, 15 minutes. It's just going to be a 15-minute timer that I'll set. So I'll be having less time to build this. Okay, so we got 15 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, we are now starting. What should I build? Okay, so what describes Count the best? Royalty, so let's see, I gotta build a castle. Yeah, we're gonna build a castle. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though. I guess all this stuff. So I don't want to go too deep in depth and detail with this because I'm gonna run out of time. So I just want to like get it just right. This is gonna be great for. This is pretty much like my mascot. Is this royalty, old-fashioned castle-like type of thing. So yeah, we're just gonna build a castle. I hope it does good, cause yeah, I don't know. So 2 blocks here. 1, 2, 2. Is that 4? Yes. 1 more. Okay. This block needs to go. Oh, did I actually get it right? Ooh, I didn't have to restart that. That's good. So we're gonna use gold for this entrance because this is how I built like more scaled up castle before. That's I don't know. Yeah, right there. That's what I want. So this is just the first of a build battle I'm doing. I just thought of it like build a boat. What should I do? And I'm like, ooh, castle. I want to build a castle really bad. So here we are, building a castle. But the theme is basically what describes you. So it's going to be very different. And I don't know how I'm going to do voting it or who wins. I don't know if I have enough viewers who watch my videos regularly to could have them vote or you guys vote. but I definitely will at some point if I get if we can get 30 views on this video. Next build battle video will be you guys viewers voting. So yeah, make sure you. I just need people to watch this video. I don't even care if I have subscribers yet. So yeah, we're just gonna build up the walls now. I'm trying to avoid using the scaling tool because that's a very unfair advantage. I could just make it block really fast if I really needed to. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna build it up. Yeah, I'm playing fair. I'm not gonna be that guy who's like, oh look, I'm so much better than you, so I'm gonna use a strategic scaling tool and freaking build a wall so fast that you won't be able to do anything in 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm not like that. So I'm playing fair. That's why I built the arena, because it has hugely limited my blocks. Like, I have 5,000 steel, and it has gone into this arena. I have 3,000 of this quart things, and he's done already? You got 10 minutes. So anyway, yeah, castles definitely best describe me as the Count of Baton. Royalty, definitely. So that's why I chose to build a castle. I need towers. I gotta get built towers. I think I can use brick. They're not that big. I can just go. Yeah, like that. Beautiful. Oh Lord. Jeez. That's not even. Whoops. Well, there goes the arena. Got no time to fix that. What am I? Jeez. So it comes out. And Dragon lost connection. Someone voted sale already. Okay, well, I guess we have to redo that. Okay, I'll reset timer. No one sale. Okay, well. Okay, so we're gonna do this again. God, I should have gone to a different team when Dragon went AFK. I'm such an idiot. Anyway, so yeah. He doesn't know how to play build battles, does he? He just told all of us. Okay, so we're gonna do this again. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna build it again, the castle. This time I'm gonna be more accurate with it. Okay, so the dragon's in it now, so we got 4 people. So okay, now we're gonna do the back wall again. Okay, so building my castle again. Oh lord. Wait, there's 2? Bring this out 1, 3, add 3 that side, add 3 this side. So this is just a very basic castle, I think, is what I want to do. We need to get bricks up in here. Where are the bricks? There we go. So this needs to come out like this. Like so. And then yeah, we can leave it like that. I just gotta repeat that. Excuse me for sneezing into the mic. Oh boy. I think I'm coming down with the cold again. It's either that or allergies. I don't have any allergies, but so I think this has to come out to here, right? Yeah. No. I don't know how I did that. Oh, it goes out. Okay, I see. So it goes like this. This. I think. No, that doesn't look right. Oh, shit, why am I so dumb? It's just like this. I'm so stupid. Oh my lord. Your boy Count here is stupid. I couldn't copy a half circle. Why? Just why? So now that we have 2 towers, we need 4. How far is this going out this way? It comes about here, I think. Is that right? Yeah. So now we build the towers. It's gonna be out of brick again. Like so. Does it go out? Yes, it goes out. Wait, it goes out like this though. Does it? I keep forgetting what I keep doing. It's not like that. What? How did? Yeah, no, yeah, it is. Oh my lord. God, this is not gonna help. Freak. Where's this block? I have so many blocks, I don't even know where anything is anymore. I keep getting new stuff, so... Yeah, right here. I gotta get this thing painted too. Ah! Is that the center? One more on this side, I think. That looks right, I think. Yeah. And now we're gonna do it out of gold. So everyone keeps saying this is a slime block. It is gold. You get it at the end. It is a gold block. It just annoys the crap out of me when people say it's a slime block. No, it's a gold block. You don't get slime at a treasure chest. You get gold. It's just common sense, please. But that's only one of my pet peeves when people do is like they say this is a slime. It's no problem though. We're just gonna be building a castle out of gold blocks. Thank you very much. Count gets triggered. That's what I'm gonna name this episode. Oh lord. How high did I go with that? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 up. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, the build battle's already started. You can't join. 3. So we got 7 minutes left on the clock, and I have no idea what they're doing. I'm actually getting nervous now. Eesh. We should do... Oh, man, okay. We should actually do dares at the end. Or, like, we should do, like, bets, like, who would win, and whoever wins, the loser has to do something. We should do those. But I don't know, we'll see. Comment in the comment section under the video if you have any ideas how to improve this build battle, because it's pretty... I'm not enforcing it right now. It's pretty bad, to be honest. My videos are getting there. I just started YouTube maybe like a few days ago. So, this is the early stages where I'll eventually, like, 10 years from now, I'll look back and I'll be like, what the heck was I doing? But right now, this is the reality. And I just need viewers and fans. Like, I mean, actually, I have fans already. It's crazy. But I love... See, if you see me in a server or anything, and if you watch my videos, don't come up to me and like act like I'm a god, because I'm not. I'm just a normal human being who plays Build a Boat, who just builds. And okay, I appreciate it that you think I'm a god, but I do have respect for human beings, so I'm not gonna like make you my servant. I'm gonna make sure like I'll treat you like another human being. Like YouTubers, yeah, they're celebrities, but they're also just people who play video games but just record it. It's not really that great of a skill. Okay, this castle's actually turning out nice. So on the top here, where these towers are gonna be, those are gonna be built on there's gonna be a gold rim on each one. And then it's gonna be continued up in brick. I think I have like 5 friends in the server right now. So I gotta change that. Where I'd probably at some point, if I get enough materials, because I do try to save. I was trying to save materials that I have that I can like compete with, but also build an arena. So what I might do is I might build like walls around each one, and then the walls will come down. Because in build battles, you're not supposed to look at until the end, and because he can go back to his base now and just start building something that could help him. But this is like, okay, it is your own, so it's fine now, but at some point it's not going to be. Okay, this guy's getting in my face. Okay, so yeah, if you've come late to these, I'm not gonna let you on my team. I do let people on my team, like Burma. I just met that guy today. He just happened to be here. I'm like, hey, you want to be on YouTube? And he's like, sure. So we're just going to. Oh god. We need a throne room. That's what we need. We need columns. This castle. So this is for the. Let's see. Rotate back. Yes. Done with that. It's merged in the wall. Oh great. I don't know how to make that better. That chair by itself. Okay, so this is what I meant by when I said I was gonna put gold rims. It's gonna look just like that, the tower. Yeah, that's it. That's just the tower. I don't know why I put those ladders. I really do not need them. Okay. That's how my towers are gonna look like. We need this here, that there. Which one did I just start on? This, just like that. Gets painted like fast. This. Oh, okay, it's paint tool. Just it's fine. Come on, paint tool. Don't fail me now. I'm in full concentration here right now. This is so hard to do without the scaling tool. Like, if I'd used the scaling tool, I could have painted this whole section in one, but I'm being fair, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, now I need to get the towers. What color should I do? Probably like gray. Yeah, gray, definitely. Okay, that's a timer. Should I let it go for a few minutes? Okay, we're just gonna stop here. Yeah, this is it. Stop. Okay. So that is it. That was the first timer, and I did not finish. Arc coming down. Okay, time to delete the walls. Okay. So, explain to me what you built. Burma, you first. Yo, you there? Burma? Is he AFK? So... Oh, he built a smiley face. Love it. That's amazing. Just zoom out all the way. Yeah, that's probably like that's really good. Okay. Who was Dorito? This you? Is that a Dorito chip? Yeah, no? This here? Is this oh chip? Okay. I'm gonna guess it is. He built an egg and a face with oh my lord out of that. Okay. And then here's dragons. Okay. Hershey. Oh yes, because he has a yes. Okay, I got it. Can you explain? God. So, he does, his uniform is Hershey, so I think that's why he built that. Not sure why he has, I guess he was trying to get rid of the background, maybe, or I don't know, really. Not sure what he was trying to do. And he loves swords. Oh, the sword's right here. But he ran out of time. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay. I'm not done either, dude. Okay, so this was the first one, and clearly nobody was ready for it, even me, and like, ew, look at this. This is still brick. So, mine is a castle for the fashionable Count Baton. I hope I spelled that right. Okay. What's his name? Is he here? The electric system? Okay, so I'm letting, because he just came in late, so I'm letting him choose the winner. It definitely should not be me. I do like these swords and the Hershey. It's impressive. Green one. Okay, so Dorito did win. Nice, Dorito. Congrats. Okay, so shout out to Dorito052710. He has won the build, the speed build competition. Do we want to do second places? Want to do second places? I don't know if we should. Okay, so so yeah, okay. Totako has chosen the green team, which was Dorito, to win, and he won. Should we build him a gold trophy? Yeah, let's build him a gold trophy. So we're gonna build him a gold trophy, and then we're gonna. So gold trophy on green. Oh, he left. Well, Okay. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Does the picture not come up? Yeah, it did. Okay, so yeah, he doesn't have anything left, but yeah, we're just gonna save that. He had won. That's gonna be the him with the trophy is actually just gonna be the thumbnail. So yeah. He won. That's gonna be it for speed build battles. Good job, Dorito. And hopefully we can get Toe Taco, I think his name is. Yeah, Toe Taco into one of these. Please leave a like and some comments in the comment section. I want to get more themes. You pick the themes, just like my tutorials on how to build. Please leave ideas, because I'm at a loss. I really do not want to come up with things. And maybe, hopefully, if we get 30 views on this one video, we can have you vote for the winner instead of having like one person choose the winner. We can have a bunch of people, and then we can go from the next video like that. You know how that works. Anyway, this is going to be it for Count Baton's speed build battle. Thank you for all for watching, and I am out.